Good morning, everybody. Today is Monday. It is March 15th. We can write that as March 15, 2021 or 3-15-2021. Whew, I know it was a rainy morning this morning. Makes me tired. I hope everybody had a great weekend. It also was raining all weekend, but I know I got out for some walks, so there was a break in some of the rain. So I hope you all enjoyed your weekend. We have 19 days left until Easter, and there are 2 days left until St. Patty's Day. All right, on N2Y, you have your word study to review for your vocabulary. We are starting chapter 3. Chapter 3 is about how to measuring the weather. So you all will read this new chapter here, and then you will complete the chapter review standards connection. And that's this box right here. And then for our money skills is involved in N2Y math today, so we won't do money skills separately. So you all will have your math money boxes to complete on N2Y. There's 1, 2, 3. These are adding amounts. You may use a calculator on this, okay? If you want to try without a calculator, that's fine, but you are able to use a calculator because you're adding 3 amounts. There's like 1, 2 amounts, then there's 3 amounts that you all will be adding together for that. And then geometry, we're learning about circles and circumference and area. Okay, so I have posted 2 different videos for you guys to watch on circles. That will be on YouTube. So I would watch those first before completing your N2Y circle boxes. So this is about the circumference of a circle. So if you have this at home, I would do this. It says cut a string that measures around a circular object. Here at school, we'll probably use a pizza pan. So we're going to put the string all the way around your circle object. Lay the string out in a straight line, and we're going to measure that we're going to measure the string laid out as a straight line. Then the length of the circle is the circumference. So all the way around the circle is your circumference. So you would type your object here, like we would put pizza pan, and you all then tell me what you measured with your object and what your circumference was. Okay, so to find the center of the circle, it says measure from the center point of the circle to a point on the circle. So in those videos, it talks about the radius, meaning the point in the middle to one of the edges. It says put the radius under radius in the table in both boxes. So you all will put radius in your radius right here. It says use a calculator to multiply the radius by 3.5. So radius times your radius times 3.5, which is pi, equals your area. Again, put your object in there.
There's more to do.
Oops. Okay, so here it talks about the different parts of a circle. So I would click through these. There's your vocabulary for math today. And then it just has you labeling these things. So draw and label the parts of a circle. So the center. So you all are just putting these parts of the circle, and that is the center. Okay. So you all complete the vocabulary for that. And then again as well, which picture shows only the center of the barometer? It says Keisha is looking at a barometer. Put a point to show the center of the barometer. Put a line segment to show the radius and diameter of the barometer. So here we have our center, and then we put our center here, okay? So you follow the directions for what it is asking you to label. Again, we're labeling our circle here, and you put what matches what it's asking you to do. Like this one's asking you for a chord, and then you'll put the chord on the circle.
There's more to do.
Again, measuring the circumference in the area. So same as before, you measure the diameter is 8 units. So you do 8 units times your 3.4, which is your pi, and that gives you your circumference of the barometer in units.
There's more to do.
Again, your radius, you complete with your calculator 4 times 4, and then your times 3.4, or times
There's more to
3.14.
do.
That's why I encourage you to watch that video. There's 2 YouTube videos to watch that will help you in before learning and filling out these charts here. I would go and watch those videos to help you understand the circumference, area, diameter. It says first find the circumference of the circle. So circumference is all the way around. So all the way around would be, it has to say 5.
5.
So then we do 5 times 3.4. 3.14. And I got 15.7. Okay, 15.7. So the circumference is 6. Well, the center angle across the orange arc is 180 degrees. Then it says divide the circumference by 2. So the circumference, this means the arch is half of the circumference of the circle. So we're going to divide the circumference by 2. So 115.7 divided by 2 equals 7.85. So the arch of the orange is 7.85. So they're just walking through the steps of what it's asking you to do. I use a calculator. It is okay to use a calculator as well.
There's more to do. Ask your teacher for help. Ask your teacher for help.
Okay, I'm not sure what that box is. I guess I can go back and delete it. If it's giving you trouble by opening it, just skip over that. Okay, so that completes geometry and math. So social studies, we have read moving to a new home. Here we have moving to a new home. So you will read this N2Y library book and answer these comprehension questions here. And then your life skills box is about storm safety. So when we have one of these things, this is what we do. So knowing what to do when you are at home and at school is important. So how will you get ready? By completing those things when a storm is coming. Go to a safe area. Excuse me. Go to a safe area. So you pick those areas. If you're at home, I would talk with your parents about where is a good place to go when there is like a hurricane or a thunderstorm or a tornado, or sometimes it's always good to talk about a fire as well in your home and where you would go if there was a house fire.
There's more to do.
And then on CK12, complete women and people of color in science. That will be right here. So you have your women and people of color in science. So you will have your reading to do. There's one video to watch. There's your life applications. So how it affects and revolves around our life today. And then you have your adaptive questions to complete. I plan on doing a couple different things this week with St. Patrick's Day. So today is pretty just normal. But other than our normal N2Y and CK12, everything will be the same today, and I will keep everyone updated throughout the week if we do any different activities here. I hope everybody has a great day. I'm a little tired. If you need me, I'll be here. I'll be watching you all as you log in. I'll say good morning. I hope you reply back, and that way I can give you your attendance for today. So yeah, I hope everyone has a great day. Bye.